Hi everyone, it's Liz here from Castle Handmade. I'm bringing you another how-to video today, and this one is a super important one because it is how to make a slip knot. Now, beginners all the way through to advanced crocheters need to know how to make a proper slip knot. It is the way we start every single crochet project. Now, often there are, like everything in crochet, there are several different ways of doing it. Today I'm going to show you the one way that I share with my beginners in classes that I teach, and it's a fail-proof way of making a slip knot. Okay, so all we need today to make a slip knot is a strand of yarn. So most of the time you're working with a strand of yarn that is connected to a ball. So here we have the tail, or this is the tail end, the one that's cut, and then the strand of yarn that's connected to the ball I'm going to be calling the working yarn. Okay, so I'll go through that again just to be clear. This cut end of the yarn is going to be the tail, or what I refer to as the tail, and then we have the other end of the yarn which is connected to the ball, and that is called the working yarn. So I'm just putting the ball aside, making sure that I've got a fair bit of length here to work with. First thing I need to make is this like U shape, or an upside down U or V. We have the tail here, and we have the working yarn on this side. First thing we're going to do is pick up the tail and cross it over the top of the working yarn. And we've made this little loop as we've crossed it over. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to pick up the loop that we've made, and we're going to cross it over the top. So you fold it, and the loop then sits over the working yarn. So you'll end up with a piece that looks like this. Short tail hanging out over here, loop sitting over the top of the working yarn. Then what we need to do is pick up that center strand there of the working yarn. So it's that middle line that is sitting in the loop. You can either pick it up with your hook, or you can pick it up with your fingers. Today I'm going to pick it up with my hook to make it clearer to see. Then all I need to do is pull up. Can you see that my other hand is holding the tail and the working yarn? Pull up, and I've made a slip knot. Now, the whole point of a slip knot is that it's an adjustable knot. When you pull on the working yarn, so this one here, I'm going to give it a little tug, you'll see that the loop on my hook gets tighter. Pulling on the working yarn to tighten that loop is how we know that we've created the slip knot correctly. So now you're ready to get going on any crochet project you like. I hope that's been helpful. If you want to check out some of my other videos, make sure you click on my channel and look at the videos that I've got loaded there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.